Hello, my name is Cassie Christopher, and I'm going to share some information with you on how to make images accessible. Making images accessible implies ensuring that people with visual impairments or other disabilities can understand and interact with the content of the image. According to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines and the Americans with Disabilities Act, information and user interface must be presentable and perceivable to all users. This includes text alternatives for any non-text content, such as images. Instructional designers must provide alt text for every image. Alt text is a brief, descriptive text that can be read by screen readers or displayed when an image cannot be loaded. The text should convey the essential information and purpose of the image. It should be concise, descriptive, and relevant. When using Canva, you can add alt text with a right click over the image. Scroll almost to the bottom and select alternative text, and you can add your description. Click Save and your text will be secured. You can also use this same sequence to remove alt text from decorative images, such as the colored dots on this slide. You simply mark as decorative, save, and the screen reader will no longer read the description out loud. For complex images that require more detailed explanations, consider providing a longer description either in the alt text or in a separate text format, such as a caption or an associated paragraph placed closely to the image. If the image is part of a larger article or content piece, you may want to provide additional context or information surrounding the image to help the user understand its relevance. Responsive design is an approach to web design and development that aims to create websites or applications that adapt and respond to different devices, screen sizes, and orientations. The goal is to provide an optimal user experience across a wide range of devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones to tablets. Here are some key principles and techniques. Instead of using fixed pixel-based outlines, responsive design utilizes fluid grids that automatically adjust and adapt to the screen size. Images should be scalable and flexible to fit within different screen sizes. This can be achieved by using CSS techniques, such as setting the maximum width of images to 100% or using the maximum width property. Media queries are CSS rules that allow you to apply different styles based on the characteristics of the device or viewpoint. Breakpoints are specific points where the layout of the website or application changes to better accommodate different screen sizes. Following the mobile-first approach means designing and developing for mobile devices first, then progressively enhancing the experience for larger screens. In responsive design, it's crucial to prioritize and present the most important content and functionality for smaller screens. This may involve reorganizing or rearranging elements, hiding less important content, or using collapsible menus. Responsive design requires thorough testing on various devices, browsers, and screen sizes to ensure a consistent and user-friendly experience. By applying these principles and techniques, you can create websites or applications that adapt to different devices and screen sizes, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience for all users. Color and contrast play a crucial role in image accessibility. Consider the following aspects when it comes to color and contrast. Ensure there is a sufficient contrast between foreground and background colors in images. The most commonly used standard is a minimum contrast ratio of 4.5 to 1 for normal text and 3 to 1 for large text. Avoid relying solely on color to convey important information within images. Include additional visual cues, labels, or text descriptions to ensure the information is accessible to everyone. Take into account different types of color blindness when designing images. Certain color combinations may be difficult for individuals with color vision deficiencies to distinguish. If text is overlaid on an image, make sure it is readable and stands out from the background. When creating or editing images, use design tools that provide color contrast checking capabilities. Test your images on various devices, screens, and display settings to ensure the color and contrast remain effective and readable in different contexts. By considering color and contrast in image design, you can make your images more accessible to a wider range of users. For more information on image accessibility, visit W3C. Thank you for watching my video.